In this video, you'll see how to work with multiples and divisors. So let's look at some definitions first. A multiple. Multiples are products of a number. We multiply to find multiples. Divisors. Another word for divisor is a factor. And divisors and factors, these are numbers that can be evenly divided into another number. Next, we have a prime number. A prime number is a number with only two unique divisors or factors. So a number like 2 is prime because the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. A number like 7 is prime because the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. And a number like 23, another example of a prime number. The only numbers that evenly divide into 23 are 1 and 23. And then we have composite numbers. And a composite number is a number with more than two divisors or factors. So a number like 10, that would be a composite number, because if I think of all the factors of 10, well, 1 and 10 are factors of 10, but also I can multiply 2 times 5 and get 10. So that has more than two divisors or factors. All right, let's look at some sample problems. If I want to list multiples, so if I want to list the first 5 multiples of 8, and to do this, I simply think to myself, well, 8 times 1 is 8. That's the first multiple of 8. 8 times 2, 16. That's the second multiple of 8. 8 times 3, 24. Then 32. And then 40. Now I can keep on going forever and ever and ever and list multiples for the rest of my life, but we only need to list the first 5. A factor rainbow. So this is a way we're going to list all of the divisors or factors of a number. So if my number is 15, I want to list all the factors and divisors of 15. So I always start with 1, because 1 is a divisor of every single number. And 1 times what is 15? Well, 1 times 15. And this is why we call it a rainbow, because I want to connect my two factors together. Well, what else goes into 15? 3 will go into 15. And 3 times what is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. So my factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. All right, let's look at the factors of 24. Well, again, start with 1. 1 and 24 are factors of 24. But we can also divide 2 into 24. And you want to ask yourself, 2 times what is 24? 2 times 12 is 24. Does 3 go into 24? Yep. And it's 3 times 8 is 24. And finally, can 4 go into 24? Sure. 4 times 6 is 24. All right, here are a couple problems for you to do on your own. You want to name 3 prime numbers that were not used in this video. So you could name a number like 11. 11 is prime, and we didn't say that in this video here. 31 is prime. We didn't say that in this video here. 37 is prime. There's a whole bunch of other ones you could have chosen. You want to name 2 composite numbers that were not used in this video. Remember, composite numbers that have more than 2 factors. So a number like 6 is composite. A number like 9 is composite. Number like 21 is composite. 28 is composite. We can keep on going. All right, list the first 5 multiples of 15. Well, the first multiple of 15 is what we get when we do 15 times 1. So the first multiple of 15 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3, 45. 15 times 4 is 60. And 15 times 5, 75. So these are the first 5 multiples of 15. And in this last problem, we want to write all the divisors or factors of 72 from least to greatest. So this is the factor rainbow. So what goes into 72? 1 goes into 72 and 72. Will 2 go into 72? Yes, 2 goes into 72. It'll go in 36 times. And 3. Will 3 go into 72? Sure. 3 goes into 72 24 times. How about 4? Will 4 go into 72? Yes. 4 goes into 72 18 times. How about 5? Will 5 go into 72? No, it won't. But 6 will. 6 will go into 72 12 times. 7. Will 7 go into 72? No, it won't. But 8 will go into 72. 8 will go into 72 9 times. And that's our factor rainbow. And that is how we work with multiples and factors.